it's Tracy. Welcome back. So this is going to be my kitten review for the month of August in 2019. Now you saw the video, I'm thinking, of the kit that I put together for the month, and it had a couple themes going on. So I didn't do well with combining the two themes. I should not have probably have done that. Either should have gone with the primary colors or with the pastel watercolor, even though the inspiration page that we had on our on the Facebook page had both, but it doesn't work with my personality, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I wanted to go over the 4 pages that I created. This was layout number 1, and it uses a lot of the watercolor, as you can see. And then this second one has more of the bright colors. Got to use the second one of these little fringe, what did I say those were? I forget what I called them, but I got to use the second one of those. And here's the third one. And this is the one where I had put this foundation together first because they were scraps, because I had cut, the frame out here and this piece here. So I needed at least, well, actually, to be honest with you, I think the yellow was the only one that was one solid piece. The other two I had to piece together. Trust me, you would not have wanted to see that. It was a hot mess. And then here is the last one. This is the bonus page, and I tried to incorporate as much of the papers as I could. I added some more of the little black here. I really like the way how that turned out. I never thought to do this before, and I could have done it with washi, but I really like the solid, just the thin strips of the black cardstock. And that's just on a solid cardstock of this beautiful blue color. Now, what do I have left over in paper? Well, I ended up using 1, 2, 3 sheets of white cardstock that I wasn't anticipating using, but it's okay because it's just okay. This is the only full sheet of paper that I have left over, is this one. It was just too much. So this is a Vicki Boutin paper, and I didn't want to use that side either. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in my stash, that's for sure. And then as for other pieces, here's a couple of yellow, and I love yellow. So I know that all of these will go back into my yellow stash. And then the other 6x6 papers is I have those 2. And this is one that I don't want to see again. I think I'm done. I think I'm done with that. So these are going to go in the trash. But I do like watercolor, and that I just love that. And that little bit right there, I didn't get to use it. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Another watercolor. I do like this pink, even though, I should probably just toss that. That's going to get lost. And then this watercolor paper that was also Vicki Boutin. So I'm going to put that back in my stash as well. As for embellishments, I didn't use very many of the stickers. I used those 2, a couple of the words here, and the stars, the iridescent stars. I only used a few of the, I put this on upside down. I only used a few of the die cuts. The mermaid hair in the frame, and then I think that little smiley face, and that was it. That's all I used from this. So this was a bust. I didn't use that. I did use quite a bit of the stickers in here. I think I was able to use at least 1 sticker for each layout, which I call this a success. So next month is September. That is usually the month that I start getting my fall things together. I may do that because by the time October comes around, this is usually what I do. I do September and October. I'll make them somewhat fall related. And then November, I do Christmas, and then part of December. I don't know if I'll do 12 days of Christmas this year. I did that last year. It kind of depends on my school again. So I've already looked at my class that for this next class that I'm in. Things are looking good. I don't see a problem with keeping up with scrapbooking this time. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. Make sure you check out the other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday. Please go over to our Facebook challenge group and, you know, enter as many things as you can. For the month of August, it's one photo of your kit that you created and 3 of your pages. So you get a chance to, you know, you can enter 4, so only 4 are put into the hat for you to, you know, to be selected as a winner for the prize. And I believe Shannon is the one that is the hostess this month. So we'll see in the next few days who the winner is. All right, guys, thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you guys again in the next video. You have a great day. Bye-bye.